Hey guys, it's your girl Ty Barker 81, and today I want to do a feature of a Blue Apron meal. And today what we're going to be cooking is the Caribbean chicken curry. This lovely baby right here. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Ingredients consist of 10-ounce chopped chicken breast and 1 plantain, a half a cup of jasmine rice, 1 cucumber, 1 lime, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 scallions, bunch of cilantro. The knickknacks include 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 1-inch piece of ginger, a tablespoon of Caribbean curry blend, and a 1/4 cup of coconut milk powder. Now that we have identified our ingredients, what I want you to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Once you have done that, get a bowl similar to this size. Get your coconut milk powder and take 1 cup of water and go ahead and whisk that together. Now that you have done those 2 things, preheated and went ahead and whisked the coconut milk powder with water, I want you to go ahead, rinse all of your ingredients, okay, your fresh ingredients, and then go ahead and start cutting them up. Now when you cut your plantain, you want to do them in 1/4 of an inch circle. Just cut it crosswise until it's a circle, about 1/4 of an inch. When you do your cucumber, you want to get your peeler and just see how I leave some of the skin on. You want to do that as well. And the way we're going to cut this is in half, and then in half again, and then cut crosswise. Okay, so for the scallions, you want to cut off and discard the root ends of the scallion, thinly sliced, separating the white bottoms and the green tops. Next, we have the cucumber. You want to peel your cucumber, leaving an alternate strip of skin attached, and then dice it large. Quarter your lime. Chop your cilantro and the stems. Peel and finely chop the ginger. Peel and thinly slice your garlic. This recipe calls for 2 cloves. However, I think I used about 4 or 5 small ones. I'm a garlic freak. Now it's time to make our coconut rice. What we're going to do is get a small pot, and in this small pot, we will go ahead and combine the coconut milk, the rice, and a big pinch of salt. Once the rice starts to boil, then you want to go ahead and cover that and turn your heat down. Cook for 12 to 14 minutes. Put your plantains on a baking sheet and drizzle with oil. Now we are going to marinate our cucumbers. First, we're going to add those green scallions, the tops of them, all of them. And then we're going to use half of our minced ginger. And also, we're going to take 2 of the lime wedges, and we are going to squeeze the juices from those 2 limes into the bowl. Once you have done this, you can use a spoon, or you can use my method, the shake, 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 which I love. And voila. Wait, I forgot a couple of things. You want to drizzle your cucumbers with oil, sprinkle some salt on them, and a little bit of pepper. All right, let's do our chicken. So I rinse it and dry it. I add kosher salt, pepper, and last but not least, a little turmeric powder. The recipe does not call for it, but I use it and then I stir it. Now we're going to go ahead and start our curry. So you want to go ahead and heat you a little oil. And then we're going to use the curry powder, the bottoms, the garlic, and the rest of the ginger we had. So I put the ingredients in the pan first when I was supposed to put the chicken. I must have been absolutely tired, but it still turned out great. So now I added my chicken and I'm just going to let that cook about 2 to 3 minutes just until it's all evenly brown. It's browned, I add 1/4 cup of water and let the sauce thicken. Once thickened, I'm going to add the butter and the lime, and this is what it looks like after I do that. I had a picture at the end, but I don't know what happened to it. I'm sorry, guys.